Naghahanap ka ba ng along the highway na may complete amenities na? At higit sa lahat, complete turnover na. Then, Newville Townhomes is perfect for you. Hi, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House Realty. Newville Townhomes, which is here located in Barangay San Mayor, Tanza, Cavite. In just 5 minutes, nasa SM Tanza ka na, Tanza Junior Hospital, Tanza Municipal Hall, and of course, Tanza Public Market. And malapit din to guys sa mga schools din po. Then the sukat of this unit, which is the lot area is 52 square meter, the floor area is 60-40 square meter. So the total improve of the area is 90 square meter. So guys, ito yung part of your unit upon turnover. Again, complete turnover po to. So as you can see, the garage is very, very spacious po. Even if you have a SUV, kasyang-kasya po dito. Then the floor, already cemented na po siya. So, then the pocket guard, you have also here the pocket garden. So, pwede ka po dito maglagay ng like halaman, para kahit papano, may malalangap ka po ng sariwang hangin. Then, we have also here the outlet for additional purposes if ever magka-car wash po kayo or any outside activities. Then, as you can see, naka-overhang na po yung second floor natin. So, even po mag-uulan or kahit maaraw, covered and protected yung garage nyo po. Then, naka-grills na din po. Yung window natin, may grills na po. So, dito pa lang sa part na to, ramdam mo na yung security. Then, let's go inside para ma-check natin kung gaano kaganda itong unit. By the way, yung door type nila is naka-steel bar na. So, pagdating sa quality, napaka-high to talaga. So, ito po yung first floor of the unit. So, as you can see, again, complete turnover po to siya. So, ano pong pag ano makikita nyo, so ito po yung magiging upon turnover. Kasi wala ka nang ipapagawa. So, yung floor natin, naka-tiles na din po siya. Yung wall, fully painted na din. Tapos, yung window natin, which is sliding window na po siya. So, kagandahan nito, guys. Even na nasa loob ka, makikita mo yung mga happenings sa labas po. Then, this is the kitchen. So, ang ganda ng kitchen, guys. Sobrang pulido pagkagawa. And take note, guys. May modular cabinet, including na din to upon turnover. See? Magamit mo lang talaga ang kulang itong unit na to. So, sobrang ganda. So, let's check the toilet and bath. So, as you can see, yung toilet and bath natin, bukit na din siya. We have a lavatory, may bowl na din po siya, and of course, may shower. Then, sa flooring naman natin, nakatiles na din siya up to the here. So, some part of the unit or the toilet, naka-fully painted na din po siya. So, ganyan kaganda yung toilet and bath natin. So, check pa natin yung service area, yung likod ng unit niyo po. So, ito po yung service area nyo. So, guys, very spacious, di ba? So, itong service area nyo, pwede po ito gawin as a laundry area. So, since, like for example, gawin mo siya laundry area, so since meron po ito siyang outlet, pwede mo siya gagamitin dito or alagyan ng washing machine. Then, we have also here the partition for, if ever gusto nyo po nagdagdagan for additional privacy, pwede po. Then, kung napapansin yung second floor, pwede nyo po yan siya i-extend. I-extend to backward, extend backward para po ma-maximize nyo pa yung space ng area nyo to. Kasi because part pa rin to ng unit nyo, kaya pwede nyo po siya may extend. So, balik tayo sa loob, guys. So, check naman natin yung second floor. So, sa second floor pa lang, yung staircase nila is bakal na po siya. So, sobrang tibay. So, check natin ito yung second floor. So, So ito pa yung second floor natin. So since complete turnover po to guys, we have here 3 bedrooms. So it's bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the master bedroom. Then the floor, of course, naka-vinyl na din po siya. So wala ka na talagang aayusin pa. Then let's check first the bedroom 1. Okay? Ito yung bedroom 1 natin. If you have a kids, pwede po siya as a kid room. Then of course, part of up and turnover, naka-sliding window na po siya. Of course, naka-fully pointed na siya. And nakagandahan nito guys. Naka-provision na din po siya for aircon. Okay, going to bedroom 2. So, kung big family po talaga kayo, perfect tong unit na to. Kasi, since sa bedroom 1, same din po yung mass fix nito. Naka-fully painted na po yung wall. You have also a sliding window. And of course, you have also the provision for the aircon. Now, let's check the master bedroom. So, ito pa yung master bedroom natin, guys, or couple's bedroom natin. So, says very spacious, yes. Very spacious po yung master bedroom natin. Then, even your king bed size, kasyang-kasya dito. Dahil very spacious, pwede ka po maglagay dito na like table as your mini office. Then, we have an outlet here. And of course, here, may mga outlet spots sila, of course. Then, check natin yung toilet and bath. So, yung toilet and bath natin, so, yun. Complete na po siya, of course. We have also here a lavatory, bowl, then the shower, and of course, we have also tiles. So, the floor, naka-tiles na po siya, up to the semi part of your toilet, totally naka-tiles na siya. Then some part, naka-fully pointed din siya. Okay. Now, nakita niyo ng master bedroom, like bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the master bedroom. This time, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung balcony ng part of the master bedroom. Ang kaganda nito, of course, naka-sliding window din tayo. Then, the door type is glass na din po siya. See? Ang ganda ng unit nito. Aside from some part of the unit, meron din tayong balcony. So makikita mo yung ambience ng mga neighborhood nyo. Then, of course, dahil this is a balcony, you have an option to extend the part of the balcony up to the part of your garage. Pwede mo siya i-extend. Guys, nakikita nyo na kung gaano kaganda yung actual turnover ng Astrid model ng Newville Townhomes. Ngayon, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung model dress-up unit para ma-appreciate nyo at saka magkakaroon kayo ng idea kung gaano kaganda o kung gaano mo pagandahin yung unit. Okay, watch this guys. napakita ko na sa inyo yung actual turnover and the model years of unit ng Newville Townhomes, then guys, if you're really interested, just send me a message today para may send ko din sa inyo yung complete details. And para din, of course, ma-store ko din kayo. Then, again, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House LP. See you soon! Thank you, ka Dream House!